best whole house water filter for your home on the market and latest model? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the top 5 best whole house water filters. So, without further any doubt, let's get started with the list. List 1. Membrane Solutions 5 Micron String Wound Whole House Water Filter. The Membrane Solutions 5 Micron 10 inches by 2.5 inches String Wound Whole House Water Filter removes up to 99% of sediment, including rusts, silt, sand, and other undissolved particulates from feed water. As the first stage filter in the whole house filtration system, it protects your post filters, water appliances, pipes, bathroom, and kitchen faucets and shower fittings from clogging. The Filter Strip String Wound Sediment Water Filter is an economical, easy-to-install, whole house water filter that helps remove up to 99% of sediment, including rusts, silt, sand, and other undissolved particulates from your water. The filtered capacity and change-out cycle depends on the inlet water quality. Replace the filter at least every 6 months to maintain performance. The filter strip can be mounted virtually anywhere in your home with the Connect bracket. List number: Express Water Whole House Water Filter. Our Express Water 3-stage whole house water filter system is the perfect solution for reducing harmful impurities from your home's water. The standard water filter reduces over 52 different impurities, including chlorine, rust, lead, and more from the entire supply system. All standard filters are designed for quick and easy replacement, keeping your system up and running. Installation at the main water line ensures that all incoming water is treated before it reaches your faucet or shower head. Our 3-stage water filtration system reduces over 52 different impurities from your water. This whole house system is installed at the main water supply line for the purpose of treating all incoming water in your home or business. All Express Water whole house filter systems are quickly replaceable to keep your system up and running. List number: Ispring Whole House Water Filter System. The Ispring WGB 32BM Whole House Water Filter System is an advanced water filtration system that has been tested and certified by an independent third party to pass NSF ANSI standards. This whole house water filter system removes sediment, chlorine, herbicides, industrial solvents, and more. Whole house water filter systems remove sediments, chlorine, rust, herbicides, and industrial solvents form your drinking water. Removes up to 15 GPM of water flow. 100K gallon capacity of the whole house filtered water will supply you and your family with clean drinking water for a full year. Removes sediment, chlorine, and organic wastes efficiently while killing bacteria like Giardia and Cryptosporidium. The coconut shell carbon filter cartridge can be cleaned easily when needed. There's no need to replace these filters anymore because they work well after being used for 3 months or more. List number: Express Water Heavy Metal Whole House Water Filter. Express Water's whole house system is the ideal way to ensure that your drinking water meets all of your needs. The 3-stage system includes specially engineered high-flow faucet filtration, a sturdy 2-inlet valve kit, and a pressure regulator. With no drop in water pressure, this system has been designed for easy installation and efficient use. New technology and design mean neither you nor your family has to worry about water quality. Easy to replace water filter cartridges. All Express Water whole house water filter replacement cartridges are designed for quick and easy replacement to keep your system up and running. Express Water uses specially engineered high-flow filtration to deliver clean, pressurized water. With this system, you can have crisp, clean drinking water from any faucet with no drop in your water pressure. List number: SimPure Whole House Water Filter Housing. SimPure's DB10C Universal Water Filter Housing is constructed of thermally welded industrial-grade aluminum with a durable, powder-coated finish that protects against corrosion and provides seamless integration with your water treatment system. Compared to other inline water filter housing for leakage complaints, SimPure's 10 inches by 4.5 inches filter housing thickens and upgrades ports to brass and adopts a double O-ring design to make sure no water leaks after long-term use.
This 10 inches by 4.5 inches universal blue filter housing is specially made for universal standard 4.5 inches by 10 inches filters and comes with all tools required for installation, including a wrench, heavy-duty steel mounting bracket, 4 screws.